Good day, M4499. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Melanie B. Bactocaveros. I'm 44 years old. I'm Catholic. I have 4 children, 22, 19, 17, 12. I am happily married.
Okay. Miss Melanie, I see that you have experience somewhere in Saudi. What is your main duty and responsibility as a helper?
Taking care of the baby and cooking,
Okay, and other than that?
cleaning, ironing.
Okay, and you also have experience on a second employer also in Saudi Arabia. What is your main duty and responsibility as a helper?
Taking care also of the children, 7 years old.
Okay. Miss Melanie, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money for my kids.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
How long? Long.
Okay.
If I stay.
Okay, if your employer wants you to stay, you will
Yes,
stay.
yes,
And until you finish your contract.
yes.
Okay. What did you do if the newborn is crying?
What?
What did you do if the newborn is crying? If the newborn is
Crying.
crying, what would you do?
I see if I have a popo.
Okay. And other
And
than
then I
that?
change the diaper. And then I make milk.
Okay.
Then feed him or him.
Okay. And if the baby is still crying after you feed him, after you change the diaper, what would you do?
I see if have a fever.
Okay. Are you willing to work on Sunday?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of elderly?
Yes.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes.
Are you willing to co-work with other helper?
Yes.
If the family member cannot speak English, are you willing to learn Chinese or Cantonese?
Yes, of course.
Okay. It is okay to you to prepare to eat the food that prepared by your employer.
Yes.
I see that you have a long hair. It's okay to you to cut into short.
No problem.
And also you have a blonde hair. It's okay to you to color into black.
Yes, no problem. I make
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, but I want to learn.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Maybe 1 month. It's a good cooker.
Okay. Can you sing any nursery rhyme?
Yes, twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay.
And
Message to your future employer.
hi, ma'am, sir. If you choose me, I do my best for my work because I am trustworthy, flexibility, uh, learn how and learn how to make other things I didn't know. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, M4499.